So I didn't realize that today would be the day I was gonna start recording again, or I would have told y'all before what's going on. But I just went down a rough road, so I stopped to check on my chains real quick. Make sure everything was tight. But got the 770 loaded on the trailer for the last time. Today is the day we tell her goodbye. But we got another one we're going to get just as soon as we get this one off the trailer. So, but y'all also, I want y'all to check that out. Yep, I think that's gonna be the new logo for the channel. We'll be back. All right, those of y'all that were with the channel before I deleted all my videos know exactly where I'm pulling up at. Mom and Daddy's house. And that was my brother's house right down there. And we are coming. As you can see, I cleaned a bunch of stuff up because that limb right there, which is actually a tree, fell on that boat, and that tractor back there. That tractor is what we're here after. So, drive through here, back up to it, and pull it out. Y'all know that old rascal right there?
Huh?
I told everybody they know you.
Oh, hey, how everybody doing?
All right, put it on the trailer.
The only thing I know.
Didn't work.
Nope. How you gonna get it up there?
You don't know how I'm gonna get it up there? Lord have mercy.
You know you don't come along.
No, I ain't gonna come along it. This man doubts me. I don't know why. He always doubts me.
You get that the other camera to work?
No, I hadn't messed with it. This is actually gonna be my first video coming back. So, all right, let me get winch hooked up. Oh, you gonna record?
What am I looking at? I can't see nothing out here in the sunshine.
Can't. Your finger ain't in the way of the camera, is it? Nope.
Nope. I can give you no guarantee of what kind of quality we're gonna get here. Am I looking at you? I'm looking at you.
Do what?
I'm looking at you.
I don't want to break my camera. I don't want it looking at you.
Now, this thing should be leaving here and coming back with a cage on it. Well, it won't be coming back here, but it's coming back close to here with a cage on it. And then we're gonna rebuild a motor in it.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. I got a fella waiting on us.
As long as no more trees fall on it.
Yeah. Well, it won't make no difference if more trees fall on it after you do the
Not after I put the cage on it.
yeah. Now you put the cage on it. But yeah, ether baby. And got where the only way you can crank it with pull crank it. And here it comes. Let me back up here. I know he's going to edit most of this out, but so I get back here. I can't find a level spot to stand. There we go. Found a beast.
Yeah, she's a little heavy.
Huh?
I said she's just a little bit heavy.
A little bit heavy.
Give me that winch to work out. Flat tires and all. Pull the bitch. battery dead on the winch. This would be fun.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah, 'cause I didn't bring no come along.
Might have to go steal the battery out of the Dodge pickup. It should be all the way charged.
I think I got enough in this one. As long as I get it up over the dovetail, it'll pull it.
Yeah. I think I can, I think I can, I think I can.
It's a tight fit.
I hope I did some halfway decent camera work on this.
Guess what?
What?
I might have to pull it back off the trailer.
What?
It's too far that side.
Huh?
Too far over.
It's what?
Too far over.
That shouldn't... Oh, that should be alright. Hold it.
It'll be alright. It'll bounce.
It might not.
It'll bounce.
Well, I like this project.
What?
I get to stand here and hold the telephone. Boy. Huh?
I hate this chain.
Too long?
Sir?
Why, too long?
Too heavy.
Too heavy. I'm looking at him, not looking at what I'm doing, y'all. This is the amateur hour here,
Be alright.
as far as the cameraman goes.
Alright.
You want another chain?
I'm gonna use this one.
And I got another one, I just ain't got no come along. I mean chain binding.
That's fine. Where's my good binder? There it is. That's it.
That's it.
That's it. I gotta charge my battery on the winch when I get home. So I gotta charge the battery on the winch when I get home.
Well, you're using the battery pack.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that looks familiar.
It ought to. I stole it from you.
You didn't steal it.
Works pretty good.
What holds your battery pack on? What holds your battery pack on?
The wires run inside here.
Okay.
Run up in there. Put my chains and all that stuff in there.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave the cable on there for a little extra support. Put the tire back on.
What do you have here?
Right there. Throw it here. That's what go across the tire. I finally put another tire on. Put that tire on another rim from where it broke off the trailer. I took it up there with me this morning and did that while I was up there at
Jimmy's?
Jimmy's. Told him I don't know why it fell off. I mean, hell, I only had 6,000 pounds on the 1,500 pound axle.
Yeah.
I don't understand why it broke.
No.
All right.
Well, I'm gonna give you back to him. Unless you want to tell him about what you're doing here.
Well, it's going home for number one, to get the all the damage on it fixed, for one. Putting a new cowl on it. Got to redo the mounts on the hood where the tree fell on it. Got to straighten the steering arm on that side. Then I'm gonna pull the rollover bar off, pull the fenders off of it, put a new rollover bar, a straighter rollover bar instead of being slanted back like that one is. Putting square mount fenders on it, and then building a cage coming all the way around the front. Putting a weight tray on the front with a big 4-inch pipe full of concrete for ballast weight. Putting a brush guard around the front. Go ahead and mount my lights and everything, and then my uprights coming from the front of the tractor tying back into the main cage will be removable, so whenever I bring it back down, we can tear the motor down and rebuild it. And I'm also moving the exhaust from discharging out the bottom underneath the operator to coming up the top, and then it's going to run up the cage and exit out over the top of the tractor. So that's the plans over the next 3 months. And then it's going to work. So that's where we at with it. It was a free tractor. I'm gonna have to put about $1,000 in it. Beats the hell out of going to buy a brand new $50,000 tractor, that's for sure. An old girl, I mean, it was running good, and we tore it down to fix it, and it never ran after that. So
No, you can tell.
y'all got it. Y'all pull cranked it and got it to run, right?
I pull crank and got it to run.
Yeah. Once I brought it down here to Daddy's, they pull cranked it and got it to run, but she don't have any compression. She was addicted to crack for a long time, as you can see.
And it's got a
Couple bad freeze plugs in it.
couple of bad freeze plugs in it. You have to disassemble the back of the motor to get to it anyway.
And we're probably 9 times out of 10 while it's down, I'm probably gonna send the head off and just get the head going through. Because it don't make any sense to rebuild the bottom end. We're gonna have the head off anyway. It don't make no sense not to send the head off and get it get it checked, put it all back together, and then we got more problems. So joys of having an older tractor, but also at the same time, I'm gonna save $30,000. So I'm happy with it. I'm good with it. I love old tractors anyway. I'd rather run an old tractor than a new tractor.
Look on that step there and see if the bolts are there for the starter.
Bolts are back in the block.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get the rest of this stuff tied down, what needs to come off, get it cleaned up, visit with my old man for a minute, going home and unload it, because I got to load it back on and go to another project.
And y'all ask him where my chair is.
What chair?
He forgot to bring my chair to me.
Ha! I bought Daddy a computer chair for Christmas. Here it is, January 18th.
Yep.
Daddy still ain't got the chair.
But now you went on vacation too.
Yeah, I did go on vacation, but still. And then we had the COVID scare at work, so I didn't go around anybody after the COVID scare. Which, I come back negative on my COVID test. Woohoo! But I'm gonna get it to you, I promise. Oh, yeah, I went and bought a new car, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I'm sitting in my old white chair, killing my back, hurting my leg. Got to put a little grief on him here. Got to put a little grief on him here.
Yeah. I'll call your wife and tell her to put it in the car. Well, no, she's driving the Toyota instead of driving the 300, so.
Yeah.
It ain't gonna fit. Anyway, we'll be back in a little bit, y'all.
All right, I'm gonna give it back to him and let him sign off.
Well, I'm gonna get home, unload the tractor and everything, but Daddy's gonna finish the video now, so. Tell him something, Daddy, anything.
Oh, well, you know, I wasn't prepared, but, you got to remember who brought us here and who takes care of us. Don't forget about him every day.
That's right.
In your life. Without God, you ain't got nothing.
That's exactly right.
So I'm gonna let it go at that today.
All right.
Everybody take care.
We'll see y'all. All right, somebody's doing the walk of shame here with his wife's pocketbook.
Does it match my accessorized?
Yeah, it looks alright, I reckon.
And this here makes up for it, right?
That's right.
Put me on no Facebook.
Facebook is YouTube.
Don't put me on YouTube. I don't like that
So,
kind of shit.
what's that, boo?
Huh?
What's that?
That's my chair.
That's your chair that you were giving me so much grief about earlier? The chair is Farming Simulator approved too, by the way, because I played Farming Simulator a couple times.
You play what?
Farming Simulator. So.
Alright. This one actually got a bottom in it.
Yeah, unlike that thing you got in your room.
He's about to kill
That's
Daddy.
a torture chamber.
All right, so now you got your chair. Now you want to tell everybody what you was talking about earlier. You know, you want to say anything now because you got your chair. You know, something like you have the best son ever or something like that. I mean,
Oh, I was gonna say I had the best wife ever because she brought it home.
Well, I mean that'll work too. I reckon.
Yeah.
She won't let me put
I
it
got
on
the
YouTube.
best-
Law loaded it.
And the best daughter-in-law because she loaded it
With a broke foot.
with a broke foot.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, y'all.
Y'all, we give him a little bit of prop, but we don't want to give him enough to make his head swell up.
Yeah, look at that pocketbook, y'all. I'm telling y'all.
Yeah, that's my deceit.
Bruce Jenner's got his
What a
work cut
penny,
out for
what a
him.
penny.
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
Oh my God.
Sammy, him on that Burger King. I'm hungry.
I just tell you.
Oh my Lord. He does that a little too
And
good.
all my glory out here in the
Sammy,
sunshine.
I think that he really.
Lord
Y'all have a
mercy.
good day now.
All the things